Hi, this is my Linux Mint Mate system, and I'm running this in virtual under VMware Player on a Windows 7 host. But as you can see, it doesn't really make a big difference. It's a full screen, and sometimes I don't even know that I'm in virtual. For example, when I also run Windows 8 in virtual. There is really no difference. All you need is a processor that is powerful enough, and of course a solid state disk. But that is not the purpose of this little video. Little video should show you a nifty little program which allows you to make screen recordings, which I was really amazed to find that it's easy to use and it does a very good job. You find it in the software center here. Let's have a look at the software manager. And since it's a screen recording program, all you have to put in here is screen, and it will find it. Okay, screen. So it's this one here, the GTK Record My Desktop. Let's have a look what it says. Adds an easy to use graphical icon on the GNOME toolbar to make blah blah blah, etc. It's really easy to use. And if you have not installed it, now mine is installed, that's why the button here says remove. But if you have not installed it, you just click on the button here and install it. It took less than a minute on this system here. Okay, and when you installed it, you find it in Sound and Video. Sound and Video, Record My Desktop. There it is, and we could start it right from here. But I prefer programs that I use a lot to start in from the toolbar, from the taskbar. And how did I get it there? It's right here. That's the one. How did I get it there? You go to right click on the taskbar and go to add to panel, and in add to panel you go to application launcher. Don't go to custom application launcher, that's a little finagly. Go to application launcher, double click on that, and we know it was in Sound and Video, and you click on this little itty bitty triangle here and see it'll turn, and it will show all the programs that are in Sound and Video, and Record My Desktop is there, and all you do is double click on it and you're already done. It's now in your taskbar. Okay, now I have it already, so I might as well remove it. So let's have a look how it looks like. That's what it looks like. Very simple user interface. Let me explain the buttons here. Select the window. Well, the default is a full desktop, and it shows you here what the selection is, which is kind of convenient. Record, of course, you click when you want to record. Save as, that may be interesting. You click on that, and then you can give it a name up here, and you can save it wherever you want to save it. I happen to use videos, the video file, to save it. But if you don't do anything, it'll save it in your home folder, which may also be good enough. Okay, then the advanced button here. Advanced always sounds scary, but it's very simple. Files, well, this tells you that I save it in videos, nothing special here. Performance, frames per second. It's set to 15, which is good for recording like the one we are doing here. If you have a lot of action, you may want to set it to higher frames, 30 maybe. But beware that the more frames you have, the bigger the file will get. Encode on the fly, that's only recommended if you have a really powerful CPU dedicated to this job. Now, as I said, I'm running in virtual, and also I have dedicated 2 cores for my i7. I'm not sure whether that's such a good idea. If you encode on the fly, means when you are done, then the video is finished. If you do not encode on the fly, which we are doing right here, it means when you stop the video recorder, then it will encode it afterwards. Which, again, if you have a very weak CPU, may take a little while. You want zero compression, no compression. I would not compress it. And these two here are not recommended to set. Then you have sound. There's nothing to do here. Everything's default. And miscellaneous, there's really nothing to do either. And the only one that's unchecked is follow mouse. You don't really want that, because then the mouse, you have these trailers for the mouse on the in the video, which is would not be my taste. Okay, this is a program which is running right now. Let's just see. Let's just display a few things here, maybe pictures, just to make it look nice. These are not pictures. These are. This is music. Pictures. Here are pictures. Okay. Here's a file, and these are pictures that I have taken. Oh no, this one I haven't taken. This one I haven't taken either. These are my desktop pictures that I use. This was when we were on vacation. This is my desktop right here for the. This is a picture I took from the Eiffel Tower in Paris. These are nice pictures I did not take. Where are we? Next here. Nice rainbow. Here's the Eiffel Tower picture. Okay, this is all I guess. Okay, so why didn't it show the others? I don't know. But just to show you that it does a nice job, and it's simple to use. It's not really a big deal, and it costs nothing. So when you're done, what you do, you right click here on this inconspicuous little white frame icon. Right click on it, and then you stop it. You could also launch of course the icon and stop it from there, but this is a way to do it really. You can also pause, by the way, if you make a big video and want to do it in pieces. So you stop it right here, and then you have to wait for it to encode. So don't cancel the